Welcome to my channel. In the present video, I would like to present on a topic called Commonwealth Scholarships for doing Masters in the UK. Commonwealth Masters Scholarships India 2020. These scholarships are for Indian nationals. The notification for Commonwealth Master Scholarship for 1 year of full-time master study at a UK university has been announced by the Government of India, Ministry of Education. Interested applicants can check out the complete details in the description box. Online applications are invited from Indian nationals for 2021 Commonwealth Master Scholarships tenable in the United Kingdom for pursuing 1 year master's degree courses commencing from September or October 2021. The scholarships are offered by the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission, in short we can call CSC UK. Candidates are required to apply online at the following portals: Ministry of Education portal, link for Commonwealth Scholarship 2020 application portal, http://proposal.sakshat.ac.in/scholarship. The portal would be active from 24th December 2020 to 21st February 2021. Commonwealth Scholarship Commission's online application system. Online application system can be called in the short form OAS, online application system. Link for OAS: https://fs29.farmsite.com/m3n capital C capital Y small q /AGYHPF 9D2p/index.html. The OAS is active from December 14, 2020 to 18th January 2021. Note 1. It is compulsory for the applicant to apply on both the portals before their respective deadline, failing which his or her candidature would be deemed ineligible. Note 2. The last date for applying on CSC OAS is 18 January 2021. Candidates are also required to upload supporting documents. Please note that candidates who have applied on or before 18 January 2021 on the OAS must also upload supporting documents latest by 01 February 2021. Otherwise, their candidature will be deemed to be ineligible. Supporting documentation uploaded to the OAS must be uploaded as files which are no more than 5 MB in size and must be in one of the following formats: PDF, documents, docx, ODT or JPJ or JPEG. Files submitted in any other format including zip files and PDF portfolios will not be accepted. Note 3. Master's degree courses that are less than 2 years in duration are not equivalent to a master's degree in India. Note 4. CSC does not offer scholarships for pursuing MBA. Number of nominations: 20 nominations would be made to the CSC. Eligibility: the applicant must be a citizen of India. The applicant must be a permanent resident of India. The applicant must be available to start his or her academic studies in the UK by the start of the UK academic year in September or October 2021. The applicant should have completed or is expected to complete his or her bachelor degree by October 2021. The applicant must be able to afford to study in the UK without this scholarship. Candidates are compulsorily required to sign a declaration that they do not have access to sufficient funds to study in the UK. Candidates who have already been abroad for studies or training or specialization, either on scholarships or on their own, for a period exceeding 6 months are eligible to apply if they have been in India for at least 2 consecutive years as on 21st February 2021 after returning from abroad. Candidates must have an offer from from a UK university for the September or October 2021 intake at the time of applying to be considered for these scholarships. Candidates who have an offer of admission for 2020 September or October academic session are also eligible to apply if they have decided to defer their offer by a year and the university has accepted their request to defer. Here the word defer means postpone. DEFER. Commonwealth Master Scholarships India 21 is offered under the following themes: Science and Technology for Development, Strengthening Health Systems and Capacity, Promoting Global Prosperity, Strengthening Global Peace, Security and Governance, Strengthening Resilience and Response to Crisis, Access, Inclusion and Opportunity. Nomination criteria: candidates who have received an offer of admission from any UK university must upload a copy of the same on the ministry's portal at the time of online application, failing which their candidature will not be considered. In case there are more applications than the number of nominations to be made, ranking of the UK university from where the candidate has secured an offer of admission as per the QS ranking 2021 would be taken to drop the merit list. Nominations will be made in a development theme-wise proportional basis. General instructions: candidates who do not possess the eligibility criteria need not apply. Canvassing in any form will be a disqualification. It is very important that applicants who are in employment to which they wish to return after completion of their studies in the UK should have an assurance from their organization that on the final selection by the CSC, they will be granted sufficient leave to complete the study. Candidates are requested to frequently visit the ministry website www.education.gov.in/scholarships as all further announcements will be uploaded there. Queries via email may be directed to es3.edu@nic.in or you may call on the number 011 261 72492. The nominated candidates will be informed through a public notice on the ministry's website. Important links for applying online to the Ministry of Education: http://proposal.sakshhat.ac.in scholarship. For applying to CSE through OAS, https://smallf-29.formsite.com/m3n C capital Y capital Q small oblique AGYHPF 9D2P oblique index HTML. Terms and conditions for the 2021 Commonwealth Masters Scholarship. You can find out it in description box. Thank you for watching my video. If this video is interesting, you can subscribe and like my channel.